Welcome back to another episode of the Ford Shopyard, ladies and gentlemen. And today I'm going to show you how to replace your reverse bulbs, otherwise known as your backup bulbs, in your car or truck. As you can see, we're going to be replacing the reverse bulbs in my 01 Expedition. You don't need a whole lot of tools for this job. You just need a starter bit with a screwdriver and the bulbs. This is all you're going to need. So what we're going to do is go right here, take out these two screws. Whoops.
There's one.
Get that one up later. There's that one. I'll find the other one in a minute. And we're just going to come in here and just wiggle this out. And it should just pop out. Whoop. There we go. And then we're going to take this and slide it out like that. Just let this sit here like that. You see? Bulb here. We're going to take, and I wish I had a pocket knife, but attempt to open these two. There we go. Easy enough. Alright. And as you can see, these are LED Sylvania. The part number is 3156. And this goes for 97 to 2002 Ford Expeditions and 97 to 2003 F-150s. They all have the same basic bulb. As you can see, the ends look identical. It's a LED bulb. That's all it is. Go in here. I'm going to go in there and turn on the switch. You just watch. No? It's not?
Nope.
Okay, then let me just turn it around. Ah,
There we go.
there you go, right there. You always got to put them in a certain way. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is just put it all back together. It's as simple as that. These LED bulbs go in a certain way. You see, put it in, it clicks. Just take it and line up these little cogs again. Just like that. And I got one bulb here, and let's look and see if I can find the other one. Easy enough. And we're just gonna put them right back in where they go. Easy enough. Okay, and tighten them down. You want to make sure you get these good and tight, otherwise you're gonna have water get in here. It's gonna sit and you're gonna rust. Nice tight seal there. So that's all you really have to do. The other side is basically the same way, just opposite, the same as what I'm doing. And so that's it for today's episode of the Ford Shopyard. Stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.